It has started. The blizzard of 26. Doesn't look that bad right now.
The parking ban goes into effect today at 1 o'clock. Fall River Government Center and the schools will be closed tomorrow. Trash collection will be delayed a day right now. And I urge all businesses, for the safety of their employees, customers, and your business, to consider closing during this very, very big storm. We fully understand the parking ban is painful for many of our residents. But in a storm of this size, it is important that everyone obeys the ban and finds alternative parking for their cars. We need all cars in the city of Fall River to comply with this ban. They're going to be ticketing and towing starting at 1 o'clock. As mayor, I'm also signing a declaration of a city emergency in Fall River, and we're putting in place a driving ban except for essential personnel starting at midnight tonight through 12 o'clock on Monday. This will allow our emergency vehicles and our plowing operators to work with minimal disruption.
Blizzard of 26. Whew. Oh my god. I can't even make it to the street.
Blizzard of 2026. Ah! Oh my god, so big. Oh, look how big that is. This is crazy.
So you wouldn't know it, but that's our neighbor's car right there. And that's their other car.
on WBZ TV and streaming on CBS News Boston. WBZ News starts now with a next weather alert.
There is a new top of the leaderboard right now at 11. Fall River coming in at 41 inches. Total snowfall from today's blizzard.
We're still digging out from the blizzard of 26. Thank God I got the electric shovel. But look at my car. My car hasn't even been touched yet. I used all my energy getting Thomas's car out. There's no sidewalks right now. All you can do is walk in the street. Everything shut down. This Rhode Island driver thought he could fly down the street. There's a traffic ban still going on in Massachusetts, and the plow has to come through, you know? I hope he doesn't fuck up where I just shoveled. Oh fuck, this car's stuck now. There is so much commotion. There's so much commotion. We're gonna have to push him. We're gonna have to push him. We might have to. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. All right.
There's no get in all-wheel drive.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
People want snow moved, people can't get a ride to work, places are closed. It's a struggle. We had a natural disaster, just like a hurricane, just like a tornado, but people have to understand that that's where we are. This is a blizzard and we're fighting our way out the other side. DOT supposedly has pieces on 24 right now coming out of Braintree. For a start, it's like 5 big trucks, 2 front-end loaders. Mass National Guard, we have a depot in Dwelly Street, and they're supposed to be, we had to clear them out. They're supposed to be bringing stuff in also today. Last night they did have some ambulances here shuttling essential workers, so they've already been helping us, but we're looking for all the support we can get. No school tomorrow. I'm hoping we can get it open later in the week, but this could be a full week cleanup right now. That's what we're looking at, and we're trying to move enough people around. The schools are being cleaned. I just went by a couple of them on the way here, but the roads to them are not ready for kids to walk, and sidewalks are going to be whole another world, because then when you plow this much snow, it covers the sidewalk, and you can't ask people to dig out 6-8 feet of snow.
in the coastal city. Now, we're going to stay on the South Coast right now because Fall River got hit hard as well. That is where we find NBC 10's Oscar Margain. He's got an update on the situation there for us. Oscar, is there any sign of progress or relief for the people down there?
Very little progress, Colton. There is going to be some relief. That is what at least the lieutenant governor is promising here. But just take a look at this site. This is one of many side streets here in Fall River that look just like this. So much snow, so much cleanup here before the city can actually open up. You know, after this storm, so much snow was dumped and people are frustrated.
This one's been a doozy.
A bird's eye view of Fall River shows a city buried under several feet of snow.
The amount of snow that they got in this area on the South Coast is just astounding.
Plows and emergency crews having a hard time getting in, and those living here seeing it nearly impossible to get out.
Especially in this area, parking is going to be tough for a while.
Mariah Benjamin has never seen so much snow in her life.
We never overcame the last storm that we got either, so this is just adding on to what was already here.
Their frustrations are with Mother Nature, who just literally dumped a natural disaster right in all of our laps.
Fall River Mayor Paul Coogan explained the untouched streets were due in part to a shortage in plow drivers. He's now offering some leniency with the city's travel and parking bans.
We're not looking to penalize people, but we sure are asking for help.
Folks will need to stay clear from the roads for state equipment to come in.
It is going to take some time for us to clean out from all the snow that we've had, let alone streets that are still impassable.
The lieutenant governor asking for patience.
The side roads aren't even touched, which I can understand. Where are they going to go? Where are they going to put it?
Joe Silva trying not to let the blizzard of 26 get him down.
This reminds me of a blizzard of 78 with a little more extreme. I was in high school at that time, and it was fun. But now that I'm 67, it's not fun at all.